Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can format SD card on your Android mobile if it is saying like corrupted or not reading or unsupported. So first of all, this is the Android mobile and it has the SD card inserted here. Okay, I'll be opening the Google Files app, and here when I scroll down, see here internal storage and SD card. When I tap on the SD card, there is some data here in the SD card. Say if it is not working or corrupted or unsupported or not reading, you can actually clear this by going to your Android phone settings. This is the Android phone settings, right? Scroll to the bottom and click on this about device here. About device. Here it will show you the internal storage and SD card. Internal storage is 49 GB. SD card has almost 100 GB of data. Tap on this, and when you see here, scroll to the bottom, here you will see SD card. Tap on this, and here also you can just scroll to the bottom, and here see here format SD card. So when you tap on this, it will ask for your password, phone password. If you confirm that, you can just format it so that it will work properly. But make sure once you do that action, if you format it, all the data will be erased. So you need to be double sure before formatting an SD card. First of all, this SD card which is in the phone is this SD card which is 128 GB from the brand called Red Cop Micro SD card, which I purchased for 700. If you want unboxing of that video, just find it in the description for the full details. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.